Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So I've got a vector where the initial point is here and the terminal point is here. So 0 in the y direction, 1 up. So that would be right here. This would be your initial point, and then this point here would be 3 across. So 1, 2, 3, and then 2 across in the y direction, 1, 2, and then 0 up. So it's going to be on that plane, same plane. So our vector starts here. So this is our vector here. So our vector starts here and ends here. So this is our vector. So hang on. So let me clean this up. Bear with me. So this is our vector here. This is our vector. This is our vector here. So the question is, turn this vector into a unit vector and express it in this form. So it's going to be something I hat plus something j hat plus something k hat. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, we need to turn this vector. We need to turn this vector into a unit vector. So we've got to get our vector and then divide it by its magnitude. So that will then give us our unit vector, and then later on we can convert it into this form. Okay, so this vector at the moment will be, so our vector v will be 2 across, so it would be this. Hang on. It would be 2 across, and then 2 in the y direction, and then negative 1, and then negative 1, because it starts at 1 and then it goes down to 0, so it's actually negative 1. So that would be our vector. Now we need to divide it by its magnitude. So its magnitude will be, square root of this squared, which will be 4, plus this squared, which will be 4, and then this squared, which will be 1. So that would be root 9, which would be 3. So this is our magnitude. So to get basically, if we get our vector divided by the magnitude, which is 3, that will then give us our unit vector. So if we want to express it in this form, just look at each individual component. So this is this is in the x direction, y direction, z direction. So this will be 2 over 3, because we are dividing our vector by its magnitude. So this thing divided by the magnitude, but basically it's going to be this 2 minus 1. This is our vector, but then we've got to divide it by its magnitude, which is 3. So if you think about it, in the I hat direction, it will be 2 over 3, and then it will be 2 over 3, and then this thing here will be negative. So I'm going to change this to a negative. Hang on, bear with me. Negative 1 over 3. Negative 1 over 3. So this is your final answer. Okay.